गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड नाइट, जिस भी टाइम पे आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं। नमस्ते, सत श्रीकाल टू एवरीवन। आप आ चुके हैं इम्परफेक्ट एसएस स्कोर के पेज के ऊपर या फिर यूट्यूब के ऊपर। सो दिस वीडियो इज़ रिगार्डिंग द PIBs, क्योंकि न्यू जितने भी बिगनर्स हैं यहाँ पे उन सभी को बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है टू गेट टू नो कि क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है। सो हेयर इज़ अ थिंग, वी ऑल नो हिंदू पढ़नी है, ये पढ़ना है, वो पढ़ना है, बट हेयर इज़ अ थिंग वी डोंट नो दैट PIB कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। एंड I will tell you कि where you should go for PIB. So this is the official site for the PIB. So यहाँ पे मैंने bookmark करके रखी हुई है. You can go for pib.gov.in. So you have to study PIBs just from here. There are many sources like GS score and etc 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 for PIBs. But what they do is they feed you PIBs not on daily basis. They feed you PIB after a 15 days. Like they have a book, like talking about JC score, they have a book for 15 days and they release it after like August is gone, and then they will release it. What I want to tell you, like when you go through the Hindu in the morning, spare some time in the evening, and because at least till evening all PIBs are updated. So here I will help you out how you can go through a PIBs, and may I will just clear this myth about PIBs that हिंदू इज़ इनफ एंड यू कांट गो थ्रू PIBs, बिकॉज एक तरह से मिसकंसेप्शन सा हो गया कि PIB पता नहीं क्या चीज़ है एंड हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या फिर कहाँ से पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है। सो इसके लिए मैं सिंपल सी वीडियो एक बना रही थी। ये मैंने लाइव सेशन में भी डिस्कस किया था, वो वीडियो अच्छी नहीं बनी थी, इसलिए आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस। सो आई टोल्ड यू टू गो टू pib.gov.in. सो दिस इज़ योर PIB प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो। हेयर वट यू हैव टू डू, just visit this and none other than this site. This is the official website. So बाकी सब चीज़ों में मत जाया करो, आपका टाइम वेस्ट होता है। एंड एज UPSC aspirant और SSC और any job aspirant, you don't have that much of time. All you need is no fake news and correct information. So here we go. What I used to do is I used to update PIBs at I just used to read PIBs at night, because when I'm done with my Hindu, I actually know the stories or the news particularly. So the new updates come in PIB and I get to know about it earlier. So कल न्यूज़ में क्या आना है एक तरह से PIB वो बता देगी आपको. So PIB is just like one page you have to go through and you will get to know about it. So this is a whole page of PIB. So here we go. We have to go for press releases. Okay. So here is it. This is prime minister releases. Okay. So here we have to go for all, and we have to put a date. Just a second. Press releases. Here it is. All releases. Like, no, we don't have to go for a particular thing. We have to go for all. So this is 24 press releases for today, and this is Prime Minister Office, Cabinet, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers, Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Finance, Health and Family Welfare, Home Affairs, Jal Shakti, Mines, MSMEs, okay, Personal Public Grievance and Pensions, Railway, Science and Technology, Textile, Tourism, Youth Affairs and Sports. So there are around at least 20 to 30 plus PIBs daily, and they are just of one page. Sometimes it's just of 5 lines. So don't you need to worry. Just keep a track on it, and just check it once that it is of the same date you are going to read it. So here it is, like you can print all the press releases of today and read it together, or you can just go through these topics and you can just calculate yourself that which one you have to study and which you know earlier itself, or which you have read from any other source. So you can just go through these. So like ये अभी की बहुत burning issue हो गया इस time पे, because it's like इस time पे it's I'm sorry 6:30 हो रहे हैं. सो यहाँ पे अभी शाम की न्यूज़ सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट तो यही आई है कि गवर्नमेंट ब्लॉक्स 118 मोबाइल ऐप्स. ओके, सो वन ऑफ इट इज़ PUBG. सो ये जैसे अभी प्रेस रिलीज़ हुआ था, तो इसमें सबसे पहले आपको मिल जाएगा. देन ये जितनी भी न्यूज़ है यहाँ से, एंड व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज़, आई कांट कवर each and everything in this video. I just want to tell the main purpose was to from where you have to study PIB, which source you have to refer. This is the main source, you have to refer this. And अभी तक शाम तक की जितनी भी PIB आनी होती है अब तक आ चुकी है. इसके बाद मे भी एक आधी और आ जाए, but this is the last. So इससे ज़्यादा होती नहीं है. Yesterday also it was around 26 or 7. So this is about it. So I just download each and every PIB and update in the WhatsApp group. For it's for girls it's different and boys it's different. Now what I'm planning is to cover PIB. We can have Zoom class because it's just, let me just open one for you so you can just get to know what is PIB and just don't be scared of it. So we are going to conduct daily 40 minutes Zoom class in which we can discuss all of this. That will be in the evening itself. So look, it's a PIB 526, okay? Those you are who are, so these are the total, कौन सी ऐप बंद हुई हैं और सो ये सारी ऐप बंद होगी. वी चैट रीडिंग बंद कर दी है साथ में ही. वी चैट, पबजी, माय गॉड, लिव एक न्यू मैप आया था, अभी न्यू अपडेट आने वाला था. टेंसेंट का वैसे ही पंगा चल रहा था पबजी के साथ. टेंसेंट और एप्पल का चल रहा था. मैं पबजी के साथ कह रही हूँ, सॉरी. सो टेंसेंट और एप्पल का वैसे ही पंगा चल रहा था. तो मे बी ऐसे होने वाला था कि जो एप्पल यूजर्स हैं उनको नया अपडेट ना मिलता पबजी का. बट अब तो काम ही ख़त्म हो गया बिकॉज दिस इज़ टेंसेंट वॉच लिस्ट. बिकॉज बंद ही कर दिया, बैन ही हो गई पबजी. सो RIP for all those PUBG YouTubers. Oh, so sad. One of them was my brother itself. So God bless their soul. What else to say? So this is how you can just read. So this was not that much long, okay? So we can go for this also. So it's of finance, Ministry of Finance. You can just go through it. It's just calculate, it's just one page or eight lines, I could say. So agar if you're a total beginner and you don't know how to just what does PIB is telling or something else, so you can just let me know. We can just, you know because we are planning to do a Zoom class for PIB, so that will be conducted around 7. So that's all for today. So this is PIB, one is PRS. We will just cover it in the another session. So God bless you all. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Signing off. Imperfect voice. SS Core. Sastrigal. Sorry for God bless you all. Bye.